What's up, future fighters? We are back. We are finishing up our equation. We just did a great successful test of just an error correction that we made. And you can go to the Making a Future Fighter playlist and watch all these videos that I've posted on these topics. And we also did some fun color stuff as well, some character color stuff as well. But we're going to get back here into code. And what I'm doing is I'm going to pull this data into the on-screen message for this character. I'm going to pull it in to this. You can see I've already kind of got it started here. We're just going to take that. Let's see. Actually, let me take this. And it's just something that we want to display. Actually, it's not even a parameter we need to pass, actually, because it's already set here. So when it gets to this script, it should be just fine. So we do not need, let me just, we do not need that up there. We can just have it show it in the message. And I kind of wanted to show a couple things in this message, actually. So let me get those kind of organized here. Because I think right here with X offset, put that one in there, but also I want to put the sprite width in there as well. So just my little placeholders there. And what I like to do is I just like to copy what I already have, because we have to make a string out of this to be able to display it properly. And we just change this to change it to sprite width, and then again the same thing goes for this one. We just change this to, we'll just call it like stance difference. We'll know what it is on screen. And that gives both of those displayed properly now. And let's run that real quick. I want to see what those values are. So what I'm doing is I'm building the game file right now. And I'm going to take these reference files and I'm going to load them up into the game. Sorry, I'm going to take the game files and I'm going to load them into the game. References are for us. All right. And we're just going to wait for this message to display here for us on screen. And so there's the offset. There's the sprite width at 328. The stance difference is 134. Frame distance is 45. Cool. And that's great. That is great stuff. So that's exactly where we want to be with this. And we can go over these variables in more detail. I'd like to do some verification, just check the sprite width, making sure that all the X offsets and distances from the center to the edge of the sprite, from the X offset to the edge of the sprite, make sure all those are being captured correctly. And then what we will do after that is we will make these these calculations here for all of the stripe types that we have so far here, and we'll compare them. We'll run the code, and we'll have this message pop up for each one of them, and we'll see kind of how close these are related. This estimate is related, and if it's good, we're done, and we have an auto calculator. If not, we might have to make an adjustment. I don't foresee that happening, but we're definitely on the right track. And so if you like this kind of work, go to docbrockgames.com and check out the alpha version of the game. You can see what features I currently have available in the game. You can see the 2 motion capture characters that are currently playable in the game. You can see those characters, motion capture moves, and features in action. And you can also put your email address in at the bottom, and I'll let you know when the game comes out. Then come back to YouTube, because we're going to have more AI to make. I'll see you then.